So welcome to SafeMate. In today's rapidly evolving construction industry, the sheer volume of safety documentation required on site can overwhelm even the most experienced workers. SafeMate leverages the power of language models and artificial intelligence to streamline this process, significantly reducing cognitive overload for construction field workers. Our goal to ensure safety information is not just accessible, but tailored, intuitive, and effortlessly integrated into daily workflows. Imagine stepping into the boots of Piper Wrench, a seasoned construction worker. Its new site brings a familiar challenge, navigating through hundreds of safety procedures, each one critical not just for his safety, but the safety of his team. It's a daunting task, laden with a dense documentation and the constant risk of missing crucial information. This is the reality for many in the construction field, a reality we aim to transform with SafeMate. The core issue at hand is cognitive overload. The current system floods workers with information, making it difficult to absorb and recall crucial safety procedures. Our aim is to simplify, to create a more fluid interaction with his vital information, ensuring it's not just viable, but accessible in a manner that respects the worker's time, attention, and the dynamic nature of construction sites. We envision a future where safety compliance is integrated seamlessly into the workflow. Let's reimagine Piper's day with SafeMate. Instead of sifting through piles of documents, what if Piper could access just what he needs, exactly when he needs it? A voice command or a few taps on a device brings forward tailored safety procedures for his specific task, location, and conditions. This isn't about replacing the due diligence of safety practices, but enhancing it, making sure that critical information is not just received, but understood and applied. How do we measure success in such a transformative approach? Through usage. If our frontline workers like Piper integrate SafeMate into their daily routines, we've achieved our goal. It's a clear indicator that we've made their jobs easier, safer, and more efficient. What matters most is that we're making a tangible difference, moving through from a culture of overwhelming documentation to one of empowered, informed action. For our proof of concept, we selected a comprehensive safety manual readily available online, spanning over 300 pages. This manual encompasses an extensive range of rules and procedures vital for ensuring workplace safety. Our objective was to test the capability of our system to distill and simplify this dense volume of crucial safety information, making it accessible and actionable for construction workers in real time. We employed a blend of cutting-edge patterns to manage and interact with the safety manual. Initially, the entire document is embedded and stored within a vector store for efficient retrieval. Users interact with the app via a web interface where the questions are also embedded to maintain consistency in data handling. Upon a question being asked, a retriever mechanism springs into action, identifying and pulling the most relevant pieces of information from the vector store based on similarity. These pieces along the original question is fed into a large language model, which synthesizes the information to generate a precise answer tailored to the user's inquiry. Okay, so let's take a brief look at the demo. This is the landing page in Hugging Face space. And these are some questions that I already entered to the system, like I'm about to work in a suspended platform, and the system answers with the precise directives that are included in the document, or as an operator of heavy equipment about to do some earthwork, what are my safety responsibilities? And the system effectively returns the responsibilities of an operator of heavy equipment. What personal protective equipment do I have to use on a regular basis? And the system answers with some of the PPEs, not all of them. So I wrestled a little bit with the system. Does this mean that I don't have to wear a hard hat, for example? But the system fell back gracefully and gave a correct answer as well. So I'm going back to the presentation again. Okay, so this is the structure of the code. Sorry. The code base features a SafeMate structure, the central application file powered with SafeMate for user interaction, and a data folder for the PDF, and also a folder for the processed embeddings, and then a folder for the notebooks that I've used. And one notebook for the model assessment. I used Ragas, and another one for creating the vector store. So to conclude, the proof of concept has demonstrated more promising results than anticipated, with answers closely aligned to the source disk, showcasing the substantial potential of this technology. However, it currently faces challenges in handling tabular data and complex information requests. This highlights the technology's promise for integrating safety compliance seamlessly into daily workflows. As we advance, our focus will include exploring multilingual models and enhancing our approach beyond the initial naive RAG framework to adeptly handle tabular data and diverse queries across multiple documents. This involves innovating in data chunking, storage, and retrieval, alongside adopting agent-like behaviors and integrating analytical tools for deeper insights. Our path to production involves aligning our company's tech stack, including Azure, SharePoint, and Teams, optimizing for cost and efficiency by considering smaller, trainable language models suitable even for mobile deployment. Beyond the chat interface, we envision broad applications such as automating daily safety briefings, improving induction processes, and even leveraging LLMs to refine the creation of safety documentation. This approach not only enhances safety compliance, but also opens avenues in quality management, environmental standards, and beyond, underscoring the transformative potential of this technology across various domains. Thank you for your attention, and I guess I'm ready for your questions.